Hello, this is just a quick video to show you how to get set up with GitHub. Obviously, you're going to start by going to github.com. From github.com, we're going to sign up. We're going to sign up. So I'm going to start by going to Fenego21, or my email address. I'm going to give it a password. Okay, and then I'm going to continue. It's going to ask me to verify my account. Fine, I'll do the puzzle. Looks like it's already in the right spot. Let me do the game here. I'm not really a big fan of the game, but I'll play it anyway. Okay, more games. Okay. Save this. It's going to send an email to my phone. Okay. So there it is, just shows up. It's a long one. Alright, so that should do it. I should be able to log in. Once you log in, I don't have any repositories created yet. But once you create a repository, you can kind of think of this almost like Google Drive, if you will. So I'll create a repository. I'm going to call it Team Lee. Okay, first test repository. This is like setting up a directory. To make it public, you almost always want to make sure you click in Add README. Just trust me on that. And then when I go to create the repository, then there you go, right? So now there's my first file. I can add files, I can create files. For instance, if I want to add a file, I could either upload the file here or I can go create new file. And I'm going to put some test contents in this file, and I'm going to call this directory 1. And when I do the /, let me show you again, when I do the /, it creates a directory. Okay, file1.txt, for instance. Then I have to use a green button here to commit the changes. Commit the changes, and that's how I can add files to my repository. Let me go back, click on Team Lee here, or I can actually go all the way to the beginning, Fenego21. There's my Team Lee repository. And these are my files in there. Directory 1. File1.txt. Now if I wanted to, here I'll just create another file to go in here. I'm going to go back to the directory. I'm going to add a file, create a new file. I'm going to call this file2.txt. Some more stuff I'm going to put in here. Commit changes will save. Don't forget you can also upload mini files in here. There's a restriction on the size and number. But anyway, I just want to show you this because I can go into any one of the files. Hit these 3 dots here. You have to scroll down. Let me get myself out the way. Hit these 3 dots here. Scroll down, and you can delete files from here. Okay. Commit the changes. Now that file is deleted. Okay, so that's how you delete files. That's how you load files. Like I said, I can upload files if I wanted to. Okay, I'm not going to, but I could upload files. And then lastly, click on Fenego21 here. Go into Team Lee. And lastly, I can download everything that's in this repository just by going to code and download as a zip. And you'll see it downloads everything right there as one zip file. One important thing I'd say is that you can also now, once you're logged in, you can go to other sites. Like for instance, if I went to the Microsoft site, I'm just going to pick one, Microsoft/AutoGen. I see that Microsoft has a lot of things in their repository. But if I wanted a copy of that, I just need to do a fork. When I fork it, notice right here it says Microsoft, but then after I create the fork, it's going to copy all of those files into my repository. Okay. All right, so that's the, let me go back to Finagle 21. Okay, and there's the copied, and I can put as many of these as I want here. Okay, so I'm going to stop here. I hope you got some value out of this. This is all you need to create your own GitHub account and to get started creating repositories. Thank you very much.